Best Indoor Sauna Kits. Number 1. Zone Meal Indoor Sauna Kits. A fully transparent sauna door provides a wide view and can eliminate discomfort reactions in the dark. The completely transparent design will not affect your ability to watch TV programs or other activities while sauna. Collapsible design and foldable chair, detachable frame for storage or traveling so you can enjoy a spa experience no matter where you are. Upgraded with 601D double layer Oxford fabric foldable chair is not easy to damage, easy to use and store. Thicken 5 layers of fabric with a sponge layer inside, which can better lock in temperature compared to the silk layer. The double-headed zipper gives you access without difficulty, and with remote control, you can easily adjust time and temperature by yourself.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. 8-Paw Indoor Sauna Kits. 8-Paw Sauna Tent is constructed with high-grade insulation fabric material. Unlike other saunas which require putting large cumbersome poles together, our pop-up sauna with flexible spring steel poles, 30s quick setup and easy storage. Fast heating in 6 minutes, 8-Paw Sauna Tent has a 1000 watt high power heating steam generator. It can reach a high power efficient max temp of 150 degrees Fahrenheit in 6 minutes. The water capacity is 2.6 liters, and the sauna time can be set between 1 to 99 minutes. It's suitable for 110 volts. The portable sauna comes with a remote controller for a timer and temperature setting.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. Tariad Indoor Sauna Kits. Detachable frame allows you to disassemble for easy storage, and the stainless steel structure is not easily deformed, guaranteeing a long service life. The sauna tent is highly sealed, with sweat-absorbing mats, which can be machine washable, an ultra-comfortable chair and a remote control. A person who can bear a weight of 270 pounds or less and a height of 75 inches or less. Tariad Steam Tent is made of high-quality thermal insulation fabric to prevent heat loss and is so easy to clean. 304 stainless steel steamer lining is resistant to high temperature and corrosion. Hot air glue at the bottom is leak-proof. Steam Tent adopts high-quality thermal insulation fabric to prevent heat loss and is easy to clean.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. SmartMac Indoor Sauna Kits. Portable steam sauna can be quickly opened in 1 second, folding storage in just 3 steps. Complimentary handheld storage bag, easy to move the storage box. Glowing star, upgraded steamer. The time and temperature of the upgraded 304 stainless steel steam pot can be adjusted by the remote control and display buttons, with anti-dry burn, explosion-proof, water and electricity separation function, safer to use. Glowing star, sauna box temperature, 2 liters and 900 watts super high power can produce heat quickly in 8 minutes. The highest temperature can reach 122 F, 9-speed temperature adjustment, 99-minute timer setting.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. Idatioto Indoor Sauna Kits. A detachable frame design conveniently folds for transport or storage. Waterproof inner material is easy to wipe and dry, making it more clean and comfortable, suitable for 2-person. Only one of the 2-person sauna tents in our package which equipped with 2 steamer connections, so you can connect 1 or 2 steamers. This full-body steam sauna equipped with a portable and foldable sauna chair for 2-person that can be easily assembled/disassembled unlike other steam sauna. Our double folding chairs allow you and your lover, family and friends to enjoy a nice sauna spa together, without having to prepare 2 chairs, which can bring you and your loved ones closer together and more intimate.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.